Hi there, students. To subjugate, a verb. Subjugation, the noun. And I guess subjugating or subjugated as adjectives, but less common. Okay, so if you subjugate the people or of a country, you conquer them and rule them in a way that allows no freedom to them. Okay, so to subjugate, to bring under control, especially by military force. The people were not happy, and there were many protests and some violence, but the dictator subjugated them. This is like to take away their freedom and force, normally by military force or by official force, to make somebody do something or to obey completely. To forcibly impose obedience on. So I guess the Roman army subjugated the people of the area. They conquered the area and they made slaves out of some of them, and the rest they made do exactly what they were told. Okay, so to subjugate, to make somebody forcibly be obedient and do what you want. Okay, for a teacher, it's almost impossible to subjugate a class without threats of violence, which are totally unacceptable. Notice you can also subjugate your wishes, to subjugate yourself, to treat your wishes or your beliefs as less important than the wishes or beliefs of other people. So, for example, a reporter must always give a balanced story. He must subjugate his own biases and beliefs and provide a balanced story. Parents subjugate many of their own needs to those of their children. He subjugated himself to his children's needs. Okay, so he made them more important. Okay, so to subjugate, either to suppress, to subdue, to keep down, to quash, to oppress or to crush. The dictator subjugated the people of the Eastern District, to conquer, to overcome, to crush, to tame, if you like. It took many years for the government to subjugate the people of the nation, okay, to put them down and to make them obey. And this is the idea of to subjugate. Okay, to subjugate's a regular verb. The victor subjugated his enemies. And formality, this is a formal verb. I would probably give it a 7.5. Use it in semi-formal and formal writing. Maybe less formally, to oppress, to make obey, something like that. And the origin's quite good. Okay, the origin comes from Latin. It comes from subjugare. Okay, sub, under, and jugum is a yoke. Okay, farmers in the old days, before they had tractors to plough their fields, they would use oxen. An ox is like a big cow. And they would put a wooden yoke over the shoulders of the oxen and then use that to pull the plough. If you're under the yoke, you are subjugated. Okay? So under the yoke of. The people were under the yoke of military rule. They were subjugated by military rule. And that's the idea of to subjugate. So to forcibly make somebody obey, to stop them doing whatever they want, and to act as servants or slaves, and then to subjugate your own beliefs to those of somebody else, or to subjugate your needs or wants or desires to those of someone else, to make them less important, yeah, to give them less significance. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To subjugate, subjugation.